negenda kuna direjere gwanga la Uganda UPDF abasirikale bali kumpi mu 1500 mukaga basindikidde genda mu gwanga la Somalia okukuuma emirembe nate General Mbadi onononga yatwala amaje mu gwanga la Uganda abasabye okolesa empisa n'okukola obulungi emirimo okusobola okulabanga nate buli kimu kitambula bulungi.
Eggye lya UPDF lisindisa abajaasi 1556 okugenda mu ggwanga erya Somalia okukuuma eddembe. Basinzidde Nakaseke gye babadde mu kutendekebwa okumala ebbanga. Omuduumizi wa UPDF General Wilson Basumbadi abasibiridde entanda etali ya menvu bakole bulungi emirimu gyabwe okusinga ababaddeyo.
And of course flagging you off kwenda kutenda majukumu mbalimbali ambayo walimu wamefanya kazi nzuri hapa kuwatayarishia. UGABAGA 37 alafu na UMTMT 7 sio? So I am here to flag you off ili muende kufanya kazi nzuri.
Abakubiriza okusigala ku nnono eya Uganda ey'okukuuma eggwanga n'emiriraano nga bitebenkevu.
So the wananchi are the sea, they are the lake. And for us, we are the fish. That's why we consider them our strategic partners in securing Uganda so that we can create an environment that allows growth, development, but also to contribute to regional peace and security engagements so that we don't become an enclave of peace alone.
General Mbadi asiimye abakulembera ettendekero okuuma omutindo gw'ebizimbe n'abasuubiza okwongera okubasakira ebirala.
Maybe kabla sijamalizia nawezi kuelezea kwamba jeshi inaendelea na kufanya mipango ya kuhakikisha kwamba we build capability ya kulinda nchi yetu kwa kila sehemu zote za kijeshi, ewe angani, ewe kwa dongo, ewe kwa maji. Nao wanajua kitu gani tunafanya ili tuwe lile jeshi.
Amagye galina ssako yaago eya wazalendo era eno gye bayitamu okwekulaakulanya agyogeddeko bw'ati n'agamba nti yesinga amaanyi mu ggwanga.
Of course, this is in line with our Pan-African stance and obligation to participate in international peace and security interventions. It is our constitutional obligation to foster harmony and understanding between ourselves and the civilian population. Kwa sababu we believe that they are the sea. If the lake dries, will the fish survive?
Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga adumira amagye ag'okuttaka abasibiridde obubaka bwa kukuuma mpisa.
Damu wanamwaga kidogo. Sawa? So nataka kuwashukuru kufikia level yenu hii kwa ajili ya mambo mbalimbali. Sehemu mnaenda flaga ya Uganda muiweke juu. Nidhamu ni muhimu sana.
Brigadier General Max Gumisiriza ku lwa Single Peace Support Operation Center asiimye obwesige bwe babataddemu.
We thank you for the support and the trust you have rendered to this center to train contingents for foreign missions. I equally thank the training partners from within Uganda and from outside Uganda for the continuous support to ensure the deployment of troops get the right dose of training.
Bia Ora Gabriel, Salt TV, Omunyo.